In this video, you'll learn how to buy Picoin on OKX. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the platform and complete your purchase efficiently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and entering quote okx.com quote in the address bar. Once the website loads, you should see the homepage, which features various cryptocurrency options and trading services. Next, locate the button labeled Buy Crypto on the homepage. This button is usually prominently displayed for easy access. Clicking on it will direct you to a new page dedicated to cryptocurrency purchases. After that, find and click on the option for P2P trading. This section allows you to buy cryptocurrencies directly from other users. Once selected, you will be taken to the P2P trading interface, where you can see various trading pairs available. Once this appears, select your preferred currency from the drop-down menu. This selection determines the currency you will use to buy Picoin. Make sure to choose a currency that is supported for P2P transactions on the platform. Then you will select Pi as the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. This option should be visible in the list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Confirm your selection to proceed. Next, click on the Select Payment Method button. This action will open a list of available payment options that you can use for your transaction. Choose the payment method that suits you best, ensuring it aligns with your banking preferences. After selecting your payment method, review the transaction details carefully. It is important to ensure that all information is correct to avoid any issues during the purchase process. If everything looks good, you can proceed with the transaction by following the prompts on the screen. Keep in mind that the transaction may take some time to process depending on your internet speed and the payment method you selected. Additionally, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to complete the purchase. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.